Welcome back to Prashant's Knowledge Center. In this video, we will write a program to find out whether the given number is prime number or not. Here we will use while loop and we will write the program. First of all, let us understand what is a prime number. We all know that a prime number is a number which can be divisible by 1 and itself. It is a whole number which can be divisible by only 1 and itself. By using that logic, we will prepare a program. Here initially we will take the number at the time of execution. So for that, if the number is n, we want to read the number n at the time of execution. So I am declaring a variable n here, and using I, some variable I, we will compare. Means, for example, if we are taking a number 3 to check whether it is prime number or not, we have to take from 1 to 3. We have to divide the number. If the number is 3, we are going to check, then 1, 3 divided by 1, 3 divided by 2, 3 divided by 3, like that up to n. N means 3, here we have taken up to 3, we have to divide. So I am taking the variable I and declaring a value 1 to that for checking purpose. And as I told, prime number is a number which is divisible by 1 and itself. If it is perfectly divisible by a number, then the remainder will be 0. For checking that, I am declaring a variable remainder, rem. And for that, here I will use counting. If it is divisible by 1, then I'll make the count as 1, and if it is divisible by itself, I'll make the count as 2, and if it is divisible by any other number, I'll make the count as 3. So I will use a variable count. Initially, I will take the count value as 0. These are the variables I have declared here. Now I am going to the main program. Here, for easy understanding, I will write enter the value you want to check. On the output screen, the same message will be displayed, so we can enter the value. Now this value is to be read by the program. %LD, we have to give a whole number. Ampersand, we discussed that the value is n. Okay. Now I will start the main loop. Here I want to check the condition, that is I less than or equal to n. Why I have written I less than or equal to n? If I have taken the value n equal to 3, first I will take 1 and I'll divide n by 1, and next I'll increment the value of I and I'll divide with 3 by next value. I'll divide with 3 by next value. Like that I want to take. So I will check the condition. 3 by 3, up to that condition it has to take. So I have written like this. If you write the full program, then you will only understand. Now remainder, I will take the value of remainder. How I will take? I will divide n. I want to get the remainder, so percentage symbol I will use, n by I. Now I will go to a if loop. If remainder equal to 0, means this is a comparison. If it is equal to 0, then I will here also we can write, or in the next line also we can write the open brace. Then I will take count value as, we'll increment the count equal to count plus 1. Now I'll increment the value of I. Now I'll close this. Here, first after entering into the while loop, it will give, for example, I have taken 3 value for n. It will check 1 less than or equal to 3. Correct. It will come inside. Now 3 divided by 1. 3 by 1. Prime number means it will be divisible by 1 and itself. 3 by 1 is 3. So remainder is 0. It will enter into this loop. So count, initially it is 0. Now it has become count equal to 1. It will increment the value of I. It will come out. And again it will go here. For example, if the remainder is not equal to 0, then what happens? Then also it has to check for the next number, na? So I will write else. Then also it has, I should be incremented, and it has to check for the next number. So I'll write and increment the value of I. Here I will close this while loop here. Now here after completion of this loop, it will check if count equal to 2. Why it should be 2? Means it should be divisible by 1 and itself. Then only the if the how many times the remainder comes 0, if it is divisible by the 1 and itself, then if it is only 2, then it is a prime number. We can open the brace or no need, it is up to you, because if we write only single line statement in the if loop, no need of braces. Else it is not a prime number. Here also no need of braces. Now I'll write get ch and close the program. Now we'll compile and see. Alt F9. One error. What is that? Statement missing. In 26th line it is missing. Where is 26th line? Okay. Instead of semicolon I have given a colon. Now I'll run the program and see. Enter the value you want to check. I want to check for 3. Given number is prime. Now one more time I'll check. I want to check for 2. Given number is prime. 2 is the only even prime number. Now I want to check for one more number. 4. It is not a prime. Now I want to check for one more number. 5. It is prime. Now I will check one more number. 6. It is not a prime. I will check 7. It is prime. Like this we can check all the numbers whatever we require. One more number I will check. Some 27 I will check. It is not a prime number. Because 93 is 27. It is having some other factor. Means it is divisible by other numbers also. So 27 is not a prime number. Here I will explain you the program. In while loop, we are giving some value. For example, n value, 5 number, I want to check whether it is prime or not. Here initially I value is 1. So 1 less than or equal to 5. That is true. It will come inside. Now here n is 5. 5 divided by 1 means remainder will be 0. 1 divided by 5, sorry, 5 divided by 1, 1 into 5, 5 it will come. So remainder will be 0. That's why remainder equal to 0. This condition will be satisfied. It will come inside. Initially count is 0. Now the count has become 1. Now I plus plus means it will be incremented. This if condition is true now, it will not go to else again. It will skip and it will go to while again. I is incremented. Now I became 2. 2 less than or equal to 5. Correct. Now n is 5 and it is 2. Not divisible. So it will come, remainder will come. 5 means 5 divided by 2 is 2.5 something it will come. Means remainder will come. So in else loop it will come. And again here the count is not incremented because it has not entered into the if loop because the remainder is not 0. It has come to else loop and I value is incremented. Now I value is 3. 3 less than or equal to 5. Correct. Again remainder will come. It is not 0. So it will come to else. Again it will go there. 4. Again remainder will come. Count is not incremented. It will come to else. Now I is 5. 5 less than or equal to 5. That is true. 5 by 5 means remainder will come 0. Now count is incremented to 2. It will come out. Now I is incremented to 6. 6 less than or equal to n. N is 5. False. So while loop is terminated. Now the count value now so far it is 2. Count equal to 2. So the given number is prime number. Like that. For example, if there is any other factor means it is perfectly divisible means here in between the count will become 3. 3 or some other. If the given number is having more than 3 factors, it will be more than 3. Then the count is not equal to 2 na, so it will not enter this loop. It will go to else loop and it will print the given number is not a prime number. This is the way how we will check the given number is prime or not. We'll save this program as prime.c. This is about the prime number. How to check whether the given number is prime or not. Thank you friends. Please subscribe Prashant's Knowledge Center for more programs. Keep watching Prashant's Knowledge Center. Thank you.